Welcome back to Amber's Passion for Crafting. Today I am going to show you how I make my custom mouse pad using this image that I created off of Canva. So what you want to do first, of course, is I had to make the image off of Canva, which I am not going to show you in this video. This is just going to be a quick video of how I make the mouse pads based off an image I already created. If you would like to see how I created this image using the Canva website, then comment below and I would definitely make another video showing you. So after I created this image based off of what my customer wanted, I then hit download. Once you download the image, it will appear in my corner, and again I'm using my MacBook Air for those who have watched previous videos, and this is how it looks. Then I go to File, I go down to Print, and I like mine's on portrait mode. I make sure I hit fill the paper because I want as much color as possible to transfer over to my mouse pad. And then I make sure that it's on my sublimation printer. And if you follow my videos, you know that I already have my print setting set up to where I already have this to be mirrored. Make sure that you mirror your images, especially using sublimation, or your image will print backwards and you're going to waste material. So from here, I'm hitting print and it will send over to my sublimation printer. And I'm going to go get the image once it's done printing and show you how I put it onto my mouse pad. Okay, be right back. All right, so for this part, you will need 2 pieces of butcher paper, which the other one I already have on my heat press, your image that you're using, and your blank sublimation mouse pad. I got this sublimation mouse pad from Amazon. I got my butcher paper from Amazon. I got my A-Sub, which is sublimation paper. I got it from Amazon as well. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm placing my mouse pad onto the image, and I want the mouse pad to be used, I guess, like up and down. So I want to make sure that the image will be will cover the mouse pad. I don't want none of it to be off of it. So this is how I kind of measure it out. I'm pretty sure everybody has their own way. Some people even have measuring tools. Like I said in my previous videos, I am very visual, so I kind of just wing it out. Right now I'm just trying to make sure that my mouse pad is straightened out. So again, let me see. Okay, you can see. So the name will be going down here. I want to show a little bit of red to give it like the Grand Reaper blood effect. So then I get my heat tape and I'm just taping it, not tight, but just enough to where it will stick, because I don't want the image to move once it goes in my heat press, because that can mess up how it gets placed onto the mouse pad. So I'm kind of just lifting it and just taping it on the sides. I'm not going to do the bottom because I feel like this is secure enough and I really don't feel like I need to do it. So I'm about to walk over to my heat press, but this is how it looks before it's pressed on. I'm gonna go over and walk on to my heat press and then show you guys how I press it onto my mouse pad. Excuse my nails, I know I need to get them done, but we're gonna continue this video. No shade. Okay, so I have my heat press set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. When you place your mouse pad on, you want to do it with the image up because you want the heat press to press on top to transfer the image onto the mouse pad. So you place your mouse pad down on top of your butcher paper. Again, you don't want none of this ink to transfer over to your heat press because it is hard to get off. Then you place your butcher paper on top, and then you press down and wait for the 60 seconds to go by. And once the 60 seconds go by and the heat press is done pressing, I will reveal to you exactly how it looks. So it's done sublimating, and when I tell y'all this stuff is hot, you see the steam coming out. This is why you should make sure that you have butcher paper so that the image is not transferring onto your heat press. So I'm going to throw that to the side. Please be careful when touching it because it is hot. And here it goes. This is how it looks when it comes out.